The FurZapper. That is what we're trying this week. If you own a pet, you already know the drill on this. Where's the lint brush? All the time. It's never ending if you have a pet. So when I saw this, I was like, all right. Because this actually goes in the washer and or the dryer to get the lint and the pet fur off your clothes while they're in the laundry. And it's called the FurZapper. So it goes in your laundry. Did I already say that? I did. Well, I think it's kind of cool. But I will tell you this. Look, I'm opening this up because I want to demonstrate something for you. It's hard to tell when you're looking at this on camera, but this is really mushy and kind of slimy. It's a bit like those spider things you used to throw up. Try it back here. So let's see if it'll stick. It's a bit like those spider things. Let's see how long it sticks. Anyway, that's how sticky it is. Okay, I'm gonna keep talking and we'll see how long that stays up there. Anyway, so you throw that in the washing machine with your load of wash, and then you throw it in with the dryer, and it pulls the hair off your clothes. And in the washer, it takes it down the drain, and in the dryer, it collects all of it either in the lint tray or on the FurZapper, which is still sticking to that board right there. Okay. Carol Chapman is with Houston Mom's blog, and she also has 3 pets. 2 of them will be featured in the story because one was hiding under the bed. I think you all understand that as well. If you have a pet, you know some are super friendly and others hide when company comes around. So that's what happened. So Carol and I put this to the test, and she pulled out her pants, like black pants with like fur for days, and a pair of socks that kind of look like they were made out of fur. And that's how we put this to the test. Check it out.
With Moo and Harley, Carol Chapman knows all about pet hair.
I was like, please let me have this FurZapper because I have fur everywhere.
The FurZapper is a gooey disc that goes in with loads of your furry laundry.
It's like gummy. You know those toys that you throw against the wall to stick? That's what it feels like.
This thing doesn't stick to clothing. It just pulls off fur, hair, dander, and lint.
I think that's too good to be true, but if it works, man, I'm gonna go out and buy a case of them.
After washing a load, we do our first fur check.
Let's see here. This is much better too. Look at that, no hair. That's amazing.
The FurZapper gets even stickier in the dryer, and we wait to see the final results.
I'm completely shocked. It still has a couple hairs on it, but I would say they're 90% better.
You use 1 disc per pet in the house.
I mean, wow, I'm completely shocked. I never thought this would work because it's too simple.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
It's too simple, yeah.
We found the FurZapper on Amazon. A 2-pack is $15, and Carol is sold.
Okay, so yay.
Yes, yay for sure. 2 thumbs up. Or should I say 2 paws up?
Okay, look, it's still sticking. Let me grab it. See, I wish you could, I wonder if you can hear it. It's mushy gushy kind of stuff. I looked on the website, and the company says this could last thousands of washes. As long as you wipe it down and you take good care of it, this thing could last for a long, long time. So again, for the pack of 2, it's $15, and it's recommended that you use 1 of these per pet in the house in each load of laundry. So you got 2 pets, you use both of them in the washer and both of them in the dryer. And we were really, really surprised that these worked because it just seems so simple, but they worked. What do you use? Is this something you might be interested in? And if not, what is it that you are using that gets the fur off? And I'm not talking about a lint brush. I'm talking about something more than that, especially on your laundry. Drop that down below. And while you're down there, will you give me a thumbs up on this video? Because I'm going to stick this again. Will you give me a thumbs up on this video? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down there and ring my bell so you know the next time we test a product. still sticking. Bye.